This recipe is the breakfast cookies, submitted by Niki Haag. This recipe has a prep and cook time of only 20 minutes, 5 ingredients, 3 bananas, 2 cups of instant oatmeal, which is like 6 or 7 packets, half a cup of mini chocolate chips, a third of a cup of applesauce, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first step in the recipe is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, which we already have done. Step 2 is to mash the bananas in a bowl. And now we speed it up. It's sped up part.
Yeah. Alright, so we're all done.
Bananas mashed.
Yep.
The next step is to just add everything else.
Mm-hmm.
And stir to incorporate.
We got the oatmeal.
Chocolate chips going in.
You stir that one with them.
I'm gonna start stirring.
Applesauce.
A little appy sauce.
And then lastly, vanilla. Okay.
Always do it over the bowl.
There we go. There we go. Helpful tips. Okay.
Let me just tell you folks, these smell delectable. The smell permeating from this bowl right now is heavenly to die for.
It does.
A little
smell very
stodgy.
good.
This is stodgy. That's what this is, yeah. Let's get some parchment paper.
Sometimes it helps to crumble the parchment paper so it doesn't roll back up. So that's why I did that. Alright.
So true.
Thank you. So we're gonna scoop about 2 tablespoons of mix onto the baking sheets. So we're gonna do that.
There's a dozen on this baking sheet. That's
Yay!
13.
Okay.
Into the
Into the oven it goes.
Bake for about 15 minutes.